Today, we're going to take a look at the Samsung Galaxy A15 5G, a new budget-friendly smartphone that offers some impressive features for its price. Let's get right into it. The Galaxy A15 5G is a 6.5-inch device with a Super AMOLED display that has a 90Hz refresh rate and 800 nits of brightness. That means that you get a smooth and vibrant viewing experience, whether you're watching videos, playing games, or browsing the web. The screen resolutions is 1080p by 2040 pixels, which give you a sharp and detailed picture quality. The screen also has a hole punch cutout for 13 megapixel selfie camera, which can record 1080p videos at 30 frames per second. The back of the phone is made of plastic, but it has a glossy finish that mimics glass. The phone comes in two colors, Brave Black and Magical Blue. The back has a triple camera setup which consists of 15 megapixel main camera, a 5 megapixel ultra wide camera, and a 2 megapixel macro camera. The main camera can also record 1080p video at 30 frames per second, and it has features like LED flash, panorama, and HDR. The camera performance is decent for the price range, but don't expect flagship level quality. The Galaxy A15 5G is powered by a MediaTek Dimensity 6100 chipset, which is a 6nm octa-core processor that supports 5G connectivity. The phone also has a 4GB or 8GB of RAM and 128 or 256GB of internal storage, which can be expanded via a micro SD card. So the phone runs on Android 14 with One UI 6, which is the Samsung's custom skin that adds some features and tweaks to the stock Android experience. The phone also has a side-mounted fingerprint scanner, a 3.5mm headphone jack, NFC, and a USB Type-C port. The battery capacity of a Galaxy A15 5G is 5000 mAh, which is pretty large and should last for a full day of moderate usage. The phone also supports 25 watts wired charging, which can top up the battery fairly quickly. However, the phone does not support wireless charging or reverse wireless charging, which are features that some of its competitor offers. So this phone offers a lot of value for its price, which is around $200. It has a nice display, a decent camera, a fast processor, a large battery, and a 5G supports. It's not a perfect phone, and it lacks some features that you might find in more expensive phones. But it is a great option for anyone who wants a reliable and affordable smartphone that can handle most tasks. That's it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoy it. If you did, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more tech videos like this. And as always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you again for the next one. Peace out.